I can't take another step. You'd better go on without me. Save yourselves.
Sounds good to me, Long Ears. Let's go, Owl.
I'm sorry, Tigger, but I'm a noble animal. I can't leave Rabbit. I will stay too.
Okay by me, Buddy Bird. Well, ta-ta for now. No, I couldn't stay away and leave my bestest friends for dessert. We'll just have to face that stumpity-bumpity together. What am I saying?
Oh, dear. It's getting closer.
Yeah, and it's got noisy feet.
It's come to get us.
Goodbye, Rabbit.
Goodbye, Owl.
Goodbye, Tigger.
Hello, Rabbit. Hello, Owl. Hello, Tigger.
Hey, either we made a boo-boo or them spookables look like Buddy Bear and Piglet.
I say, Piglet, what happened to your hiccups?
My very best friend Pooh got rid of them when he saved my life.
Oh, wonderful, splendid job.
Good old Pooh Boy. Wait, if them hiccupflings are gone from Piglet, then where did they go? Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Well, oh. Oh, dear. Oh, my.
Whatever shall we do?
Don't worry. I know the best ways to get rid of hiccups. First, water. Hiccups are crummy swimmers, you know.
Oh, no!